What up, guys? This is Pastor Canavi again. We're coming up with another tutorial, and having a tutorial for so long, but we're going to coming up with this series of Python tutorial for non-programmers. If you are somebody that is trying to learn coding, programming, or whatever, and this is your first language you want to learn, this is your spot. This is your place. Okay. All right. So we're going to start with uh, lowercase print. We're going to use our first line of code, print, and then open and closing parentheses, and inside you're going to use double quotes, and then you're going to type a string of words right here. Yeah, and when you're learning a language, most of the time the first line of code that you learn is hello world, right? So this is what we're going to be doing. This is no different than the other ones. Hello world. And then we use, let's print that in the console. It's right here. We got it. Hello world. And then you can add anything else. You go again, print, you type double quotes, and then or single quotes or whatever. It works either way. You can just do my name is Pastor. All right, and they're ready to go. It will print. Go print it. Right there, you got hello world. My name is Pastor. This is your first two lines of codes. Thank you for listening to the tutorial. This is a pretty short one. We're going to be doing just little by little. This is the first one. All right. Thank you, guys. We're going to do the next one, and hopefully you guys like it. Okay. Thanks. Bye bye. Have a good day. Good night. Bye.